Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be putting on another wig today, so let's get started. In the color B30. It is a mix with human hair and synthetic.
Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space. But I need it, baby, I'm late. But I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't want to leave. You know, I wouldn't want to bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Okay, so I'm going to show you guys me standing up so you guys can see up close, a little bit closer with what it looks like in the back. So I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna take the camera and I'm gonna show you guys my scalp with the lace, with the wig on, so you guys can see up close what it looks like, because I know sometimes when people are filming you can't really see. Like with me, when I buy wigs, I want to see how transparent in HD it looks, so it looks like it's grown through my scalp. I know you guys know exactly what I'm talking about, but I'm gonna show you up close so that way you guys can see the detail up here. I wanna make sure that the wig is like real. It looks as real, 100% looks as real as possible. So when I go out, it doesn't look like them cheap wigs, even though this is affordable cheap wig, but you know what I mean. I just want to make sure that it looks real, it looks like it's grown through my scalp, and it doesn't look too wiggy-ish, like a party wig. Give you guys a close-up of what my hair looks like so you can see the more details of the wig.
Focus